You've seen their billboards by now. Law Tigers is the St. Louis area's motorcycle accident lawyers, which is extremely important. Joining with me right now is Andrew Toennies, Law Tigers Missouri and Illinois attorney, and Malcolm Wood, Law Tigers Missouri marketing manager, have both joined me in studio this morning to share how they can help if you've ever injured while riding. So first off, what is Law Tigers and why are you guys so important?
Yeah, thanks for having us, Malik. Law Tigers is a law firm that represents bikers who are injured in accidents. It happens more and more these days where people in cars aren't paying attention. When bikers are injured, they're injured severely, unfortunately, so our job is to take care of bikers. I myself go into high schools and teach safety and education to kids to make sure everyone's safe, but especially bikers, that they keep their eyes open for bikers.
How else are you guys involved in the community?
Well, we participate in bike nights all over the state of Missouri. We just had 130,000 motorcycles at Lake of the Ozarks. We were set up there and visited with a lot of people. This weekend there is an event where you navigate motorcycles and they'll end up in Mexico, Missouri, Adventure Palooza. So we're involved with motorcycle events throughout the week, throughout the year. Just raising awareness of our services, how we can help injured bikers.
Definitely.
We also do a lot for veterans. I know over the weekend, Malcolm mentioned the Bike Fest at Lake Ozark. Adam Sandoval was there, someone we work with. He really works with veterans to make sure they're taken care of. So that's something we also try to work with is veterans. A lot of veterans are bikers, so we want to make sure they're taken care of also.
Definitely. And why should an injured, biker, choose you guys, Law Tigers?
Well, I've been a lawyer for over 30 years. I've been a biker for 45 years. Grew up riding dirt bikes, mini bikes, enduros. Worked my way up to bigger bikes. I've got a big Harley Street Glide now where I tour with that. So we understand bikers. We're bikers. Malcolm rides, I ride. My wife has a bike. I ride with people. I'm involved in biker organizations. I'm a president of a biker safety group and a biker rights group. We do a lot of work with them. So we understand bikers. We understand how bikers are injured. We understand how important it is to investigate those claims immediately because we're involved in them. I spend a lot of time on PSAs with bikers about having enough insurance and being taken care of, having enough protection on the road to be safe. So it's not just about helping them when they're injured, it's helping them before, because unfortunately bikers, when they are hit, they're injured severely. So we have the experience of over 40 years with Law Tigers and 30 years myself. We're here in St. Louis. We've got an office also in Kansas City. In Illinois, we're in Belleville and Springfield, Illinois. So we're in communities where bikers are riding, and we can help them anywhere in the Missouri or Illinois.
Definitely, I love that so much. It's not common that you see, law firms, insurance, all that stuff in the community with you, trying to educate you on the journey that you're on. So I love that. Law Tigers is amazing. You guys can check out all the information right there on your screen. All you have to do is call 1-800-LAW-TIGERS to get in contact with them or visit lawtigers.com. Thank you guys so much for joining us.
Great.
Thanks for having us. Thanks for having us, Malik.
Yes, sir.
We appreciate it.